How to fix Devil May Cry Peak of Combat not launching. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to open Devil May Cry Peak of Combat but the game won't start, it gets stuck on the loading screen, then here are the fixes you could try out. First of all, go ahead and restart your device. Close off the game completely, force close the game, and then go ahead and restart your device that you are using. After you've restarted your device, make sure that you check your internet connection. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data depending upon your device's type. The game requires an internet connection, so make sure that you connect to a stable Wi-Fi or data. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Google Play Store or App Store. Once you're inside it, go to the search bar and type in Devil May Cry. In the search result, look if there is an update button available. If there is one, tap on Update to download the latest version of Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Now, another thing you want to do is to make sure that your device has enough storage space. The game's published minimum requirements includes at least 3 GB RAM, 8 GB of storage, and Android 6.0 Plus version. Once you have made sure of that, your game might run smoother. The next thing you want to do is to clear the cache on your Android. Open up the Settings application on your Android device, and then inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Under Apps, look for Devil May Cry Peak of Combat, tap on it, and in the App Info, tap Clear Data at the bottom right. In the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Tap OK, and this will clear the cache data from your Devil May Cry game. So after you do that, relaunch open the Devil May Cry game, and then that might help you fix your issue. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device. The game itself requires substantial storage and may also need additional space for downloaded resources. Close off any other demanding apps before launching the game to free up system resources. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your Devil May Cry application is not launching properly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.